This is Week Test recording. Can you hear me? Then we are good. Okay? Great. So you better be able to hear me.
Okay, don't mind that. Okay. So, you guys are probably wonder what we're doing here. So first of all, I'm going to show you guys how to actually use the Cadberry Heights launcher. As you guys are aware, I recently released my horror map. Something I've been working on for quite some time is Cadberry Heights. You would know this because of the 20 or like 5 some odd English word, I've discovered the key to the universe. Anyway, you know what I mean on the channel. Anyway, so I'm looking to show you guys how this actually works and how to actually use it. I'm a dummy, one sec. There we go. Okay, we're back. So I just had to go delete the previous installation because I've done this once before. So it would be best to make sure that this installs correctly. So yeah, anyway. So basically, if you want to play the map, the link will be in the description of this page. Basically, if you want to play, just hit the download button right here. Notice where my mouse is at. Just hit that there. Hit continue. This will bring you to another page and automatically download it. So if we open the launcher here, you might notice I've also included the source code here, just for the hell of it, just so that way you guys can go read that and see, like, you know, how it works and why I've set it up that way, because, you know, running an exe file on your computer isn't exactly the most trustworthy thing, but it's the best way I could set this up. So basically, once you get this open, just double click on the Cadberry Heights launcher. This will start up, and it'll basically just start doing that. Now, if I hadn't clicked there, you would have seen this. It actually has custom graphics. It's not just a DOS prompt, which is quite nice. So yeah, basically what it's doing right now is it's downloading resources, and basically it's going to install them into a folder in your app data called .cadberryheights, similar to the .minecraft folder where it stores your saves, where you normally go to put the Minecraft world in to play the map. In this case, it just installs a completely separate instance of Minecraft on your computer, and it doesn't actually affect your world or standard gameplay whatsoever. So you can bring up your normal Minecraft launcher as per usual, and it won't affect anything at all. So yeah, this takes a little while to download, and this may take a bit, as that says. I'm not joking around when I say that, especially on some lower end computers. I've tried to better the performance of the map as much as I possibly could. There is still some performance issues, although on Nightshade's computer over there, I've actually managed to get it to run at 30 millisecond ticks. Keep in mind, Minecraft is supposed to run at about 50, so that's really good. The smaller is better in this case. So, but yeah, I was able to get it to run fairly well on her computer, which is not half bad. Yeah, but yeah, I'm going to continue working on performance and continue releasing updates to the beta. Keep in mind, the final nights won't be added in as I'm developing them. Those are going to come later as everything just, you know, is completed. So, but once it's all completed, the final release is when those features are going to come out. However, I will be releasing performance updates and fixing issues projected by you guys just to make sure that that's all working before I begin the next section. So yeah. I wait for this to finish installing. Right now, it's currently, because what it just downloaded was 2 zip files. It's currently extracting both of those zip files and basically putting them in some folders in the .cadberry heights folder. So there's no output for this part, so it just takes a bit. Just got through one of them. Now it's doing the second. There we go. And now what it's doing is it's running updates, because I mentioned that the thing automatically updates as well. So, because I have released a couple to the launcher just as tests. Was just fixing up some things that I borked on the way. So yeah, now that's done. So now, this is the launcher. So basically, there's a difference between a Mojang account and a Microsoft account. if you bought Minecraft in the last, say, 3 some odd years, most likely you're going to be running a Microsoft account. And the launcher just crashed, so don't mind me going and relaunching it there. One sec there. There we go. As you can see, once you run it the second time, it takes a lot less time to start up. So if you run a Microsoft account, you check that. Otherwise, you just enter your credentials here. So I'm going to enter my credentials, and this is going to be blurred out because I don't want that released to the public, as you could probably guess. So yeah, we're just going to play as me in this case. So yeah, let's hit launch game there. There we go. Now we got it loading. Just takes a sec sometimes. Also, it doesn't help that my computer isn't really performing very well right now. So because the fact that, I have a shit ton of VMs running in the background. So we're hoping the game will still function. I might have to perform a restart on my computer. We'll find out. So yeah, it's going to take a sec to load. So it's actually loading a modded Forge client because that makes it a little bit easier for development. So it's just having it launch on my, literally, this is a stripped version of my development client, just given to you guys, basically. So it's technically just a Forge mod pack. Like, you can actually just take this folder, put it in in your curse library, and actually be able to just load it as a Forge client. So that's literally all that it is. It's just a special Forge client that I've been using. So it includes a couple of performance-enhancing mods, as well as 1 or 2 that add some visuals, such as dynamic surroundings, as well as enhanced visuals. That's that effect you guys have seen in the gameplay demo. So man, there we go. Also, might notice our logo from up there. So yeah, custom panorama. By the way, thought I'd be cool. So why not, right? So yeah, and then to actually play the map, you just hit single player and just play that. So yeah, that's how it's done.